na mo de ne kana mo ntwa ye no a wo de makokot no so what is say o say wan hwe a na say ye obi a mo te ho a mo secretariat na ya betum.
Complete fabrication from Hearts of Oak. My client has not accepted anything from Hearts of Oak, and the settlement that they've put forward has been rejected. There is no more negotiations going to take place in regards to a settlement. Rennie Hiddink is looking for all of the money that he was awarded by FIFA and interest. He's not interested in settlement for a lesser sum anymore. And if he doesn't get all of the money and interest that was awarded to him by FIFA, he's just going to keep the ban on Hearts of Oak from signing new players. He'll keep that indefinitely. He'll ask FIFA to keep that ban indefinitely until the club pays, and he'll also ask FIFA to implement the next stage of the sanction, which is to relegate the club to a lower division. It was a proposal to pay a sum of money by a certain date in the future, and I would assume that with that payment there would be the lifting of the ban on the club. They didn't say it, but I would assume that's what they're looking for, because that the settlement that they are putting forward or did put forward was a full and final payment. There was no more money coming from Hearts of Oak under the settlement. They're not even willing to pay half. They're paying less than half, so my client was never ever going to accept that sum of money. I think that's what they were wanting to do, to pay that sum as a once only payment to Rennie Hiddink to finish this, and for Rennie to lift the ban on Hearts of Oak. To be honest, I think Hearts of Oak have got this wrong. We have come to the court in Ghana. Simply, we have a decision from FIFA. All we are asking court to do is to recognise that decision, and then once that decision is recognised by the High Court in Ghana, that will allow Rennie, through his council in Accra, to go and collect the money from the club directly, either by seizing its assets, bank accounts, and that way we get the money. We've not come to Accra to get another judgment, a lesser sum of money. We've already got a decision from FIFA, the world governing body of football in Geneva. We don't need to go to Accra to get another judgment, to get another decision. We've got one. All we're asking the High Court in Accra to do is recognise this. Hearts of Oak have to pay Rennie Hiddink $146,000 and interest. That's not an issue anymore. What we're looking the court to do in Ghana is to recognise it and then say, okay, fine, let us then go and collect the money locally, i.e. knock on their front door and get the money, or get it from their bank accounts, or seize all their assets to sell and get the money.
Onyadofo, what's your 100.7 FM?
Baba then was utrasi. Boss, you see me trust. Asem na mara ho. Oh, da bi me wira ho ye. Okay. Na otie de wakan no. What say? News-Asante Kotoko boy against 11 Wonders. Tachiman 11 Wonders. Na game ni ba na wiye na Kotoko ashiminu atachiman 11 Wonders entimi antimubi. Eno na Ura Alexander Menu. Ono na Ashanti region. Oba Asante Mantema Kotoko supporters nyina ono ene doma no odi tudwa se na ni age papa titrum ene se Kotoko youth team players coach Hamza emo makonya emo mbesi akan edema Asante Kotoko
manager pa no class 5 na emo opportunity obi anim say jama for Enkola because me makaka kada say the man can the movie and two started 3 be more and say them the question can say go na mama nya die papa na boss say encouragement ball nya mpedi for juma ene nti o mo ahomi okoba bibia kama ya bo ma pass the young ones because sa abu na obotu ne ma hwe the matches be 5 this season as we throw bia chana na say the am more Lord Amor Junior I hear my perfect for I lost in the say ya say kai be because the say obobia don for the one way that than for catching it no but o mo bell bo at fact mo bo me me say junior team na ya create no enye for flip here that be boss the maybe never receive by impose Michael for swapia Kwam Junior ede omo maka no pepe enti yesempa be ka me kokra ne motophobia o de ye mo ne better position me fatophobia kan sie ni o de ye mo for better position ni enwie na afem panin for the community senye den man panin for the team no because team ni dey hard
Alexander Menu, Ashanti Region Circles Chairman, on Sudio de Etuja, and no. Guest proceed from the gate. Say, Scanum, say, hey, Edion, 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ebezo kope house ni aduana no so mame.
Ti abri kura de abase nipa ko fe match require no 78.
This conversation about 15 players no. Clubs na say if they want to do that they
Mamefa we so kan say a FIFA technical study group for 2026 World Cup no. Former Black Stars coach Utuado FIFA for the naka ho. Ti yenhye ne so. FIFA study FIFA technical study group Utuado Ishim. Okay, me the Infantino number be ma ho. Na wa friend. Obed yanko
ma kwanza na waka Kotoko die. 10 million 10,000 Ghana na.
Aye.
What quantity mo say?
100 million.
100 million. Say the titi a zero.
Obed yanko.
Titi a Kotoko zero na me catch us has Kotoko standard. Kotoko standard above for ma. So
the conversation about using youth team players. Juma, if the clubs want to do it, they should invest a lot in working on the minds of the supporters. Say, if that is a policy they want to apply, say, we are seeing a team on your message. We are seeing this now also sound. Won't mean static or would you medium? Then I'm in church match also. Oh, share players never saying now. Right to do money, TFC for any clubs in Ketuano. I'm my youth team players named Frundrus, no matter more fast. Now, I'm more a common on it. So, honestly speaking, what's our Ghanaian transfer market now? No, we play be at 200,000. Play be at 150,000 Ghana cedis. That's Jibu. But that is the new standard. And the question is, Amphibia clubs Kotkone has attendance, merchandising, ways of raising money. Bet me a Kofu sometimes 2 million Ghana cedis. And I yet transfer recruitment every season. Do they have that financial capacity? And the answer is no. Because almost the only 2 million they transfer now. The salaries of these players is a cost. Because sometimes you need to convince them with good money. It won't say BBI double. And it will definitely affect your finances as a club. Intimidate baby, I'm generally say they must have a policy. The policy is very simple. Unya bear 4 players be 3 players be omo superstars. But me the car to Kaswako form. But the core of the team should be the boys are one kaswa group more. I'm both together. So they will come to the senior team with some sort of understanding. Techi Addison year 8, Lawson year 6. Ibo, I'm 2 years old. 37 and 35. I'm 2 years from Mujina. Abu Adams has been around this year. Anthony Dia last year, no, honor this year. Into fan kwala we mu a ebuma bom 2 years. In 2 years, you can imagine the number of times on my trip.
I work to go youth team.
Okay. Inti we mu kra 17. Inti so the next 3 years count kra they are still 20 years. So imagine
how ages near saying.
I think Lawson is 16. Hamza by normal, mom about 17 in our coin.
Mom in every
yes, on no more call Okoune other ones, no more.
Okay, your mom was saying there 16, 17, 16, 17. Okay.
15,
16.
Yeah.
Wow.
It will be idea that's year by age 20. So Kotoko Kipo man said together they've played for almost 5 years. And you go Shenko for Mabobo for almost 5 years. On the sea park and so are then on there. And that was the secret of Wafa. Wafa had a system. They had a DNA. Senior team need train and one a youth team in a year. Under 16 and one on my year. Into Webe Shemua, ebi asa senior player on na bobo about 2 years kra ansana onunya promotion ja no. So they had the coordination, they had the understanding, they had the chemistry. And you know one thing, boys ni bebre aba Kotoko, omo the injury ne ba. Because if your clubs no mo prior ya he omo ye. But these boys, you can monitor their medical history and properly take care of them. Our baba senior team no na onfa ni koto je ene ya. Ni na ya ne ya embe ye waka. That is one advantage. So apart from the teamwork, apart from the chemistry, the low cost, which you won't spend much, their medical history and even resale value. It's about the true baby. In the past, these clubs were not practicing that. But in the baby about the true no. So you audience say, I am telling you, said the clubs don't have they don't have the ability. And the media man one thing I'm for realizing about media man here say, Rose Park. I'm fan Kalana no the division 1 ho Rose Park.
Yeah.
After 2 years no about boom media man. Now we chase.
Okay.
Tom Cross and Tom Mount. I'm on for if it's a Gold Stars. 3 years ago now Gold Stars here massive reshuffling of team no. So Bekaya. Gold Stars my best 7 to 10 players and I'm finding so many in Akoi. And on Rukutu Nkwala. 2 years running. Look at what they are doing in the league. It all comes back to structure. The Abema Gold Stars bet me easy. Mediama bet me easy near say pressure ni ho. They can have their project. But Kotoko has pressure ho. And nothing else we are seeing ye. Nti ni pa ni beba no. Nani mu amia enough. And to get a proper coach for youth team, give them the resources needed. Play high profile friendly matches. And by favoritism in terms of the scouting, you are getting the best. Nyoma odi more money and nyoma is here kama. Ope kra mama starting bucketing raisers. Oh baba I had before Kotoko matches. So the osu edura. On the class we almost edura so mama bucketing go. What the team ni chemu mienu. Wild boys ni chemu mienu. Every Sunday be a mama baba I answer na senior team na boss. Send the wild boys. Obi anfa bibia meto so. So that they get used to the turf.
When is the first never hopa Kotoko under 20? Before senior team bebo bia na under 20 no. Omo di kan bebo.
Selling.
And send the senior team.
And tomorrow say wo ko anim no. Unkote 2 billion koto player. Into beto into no sa no. Wo scout Africa ha unya be 4 bi omo no hye. Na dia be hyem na nkwala no etaretare ho no mo.
Junior less ya adwene.
Medium jibo. After getting closer to this team, suggesting we say now. Yes, our suggestion. After seeing the finances of Kotoko, the income and expenditure, Kotoko need the strength for that. The last 4 years, Kotoko need legal, but he plays our Kotoko. So imagine the last 4 years, Kotoko started projector. Can the sound kwalano come me?
Say beya supporters ne betia.
And I say it comes back to PR. Somebody in Kasai and confirm a discussion in my body. But some other normally supporters not trans say, listen, this is what we are going to do for the next 2 years. Yeah, man, who 2 years? Yeah, fuck coach, papa, and him say coach, you are bang. And people see the progress. This season, 19 matches, Kotoko and pick 3 maximum points. I'm about draw 10. And I'm lose 9. And I'm winning 12. Meaning 19 matches, Kotoko and picking full maximum points. What is different from the Nkwalaye? Because at this point, Kotoko nyanya 50 points. This is a Kotoko team was added 3 points free. Every ho. Intimen ka say yan sisa Nkwala level ni nyina mbebo. But last year Kotoko the boys ni bi koko.
Mate, Obed.
Momumbra, we mu fa bi ka ho. Na kese form pen because no na baba ya yebo.
Ni nyina ya how mbesi communicate to.
No na ya yebo. No na betam ebo na samba ebo na amza ebo.
The strategy is how we can give the boys exposure, videos, data, international tournaments, international club partnerships. That is how Kotoko can generate revenue and also make the youth team attractive to talented players. Kotoko should develop an agent to just take care and promote the youth team players. And also a will be message out there about danger man mame intiwe. Obi say the youth team were playing curtain raisers during last season midweek games. The games are not born midweek no. No see youth team no omobo a curtain raiser. Okay. Boys is almost so. We say best mark na fe no complete senior high school. Techiso complete Bosomefra ho senior high school. Lawson so Ideal College ho no complete here. Abu Adam so Atebubu senior high school. And Anthony so ono so was 82. And that's omo nyina secondary school boys. Yeah.
Enye new. Say ye fa mofra abakotoko monye adefofo. But emprepi no omo ba ya no mbeto mpanimfo. Na nkakran ka easy omo into the team. Enti omo understudy na Kotoko omo nya yenya abotre. Enti saa tam no se na wo ka no. Saa omo ko bobo saa ka tireza no. Na supporters in the costed you muntem no then they get accustomed with them. Enti say ye promote no be senior side already no ye nim no. Enti inka kranka ben say on be household names e wo Kotoko nim na Kotoko spirit no so na ewura wo mo. Enti ogina mu say wo si aka dia Kotoko a we a different player altogether. Dear Alex prescribe no, I think bia out of pain or whatever nti onya abotre kakra. Sa seemingly holistic wholesale promotion of everybody into Kotoko no. Boss say it is naga ono akra ha mbebo no. Kombeka say ono na ayama mpanifo atu sa na mo. The House of Folk Musical Youth of Abradekuma is a Karalamu, Paula Joda, Santo Fiakwa, a church of Quebec. It took them years. Omumpo, they were phased out. But a project that leaded to consistency and a best source abanoa. Later on, you be no. And to say, I'm not careful, maybe because of players being musa na ombo no bono kono ni ade ade nintino you go prescribe a certain a solution that is similar no on the paper it looks so workable but one way do say in actual you know one way na akako bibia ho I am for it say ma a hugely talented young player the opportunity I'm for it but e be ho say e
be ha club
misro one players nakasa themselves o dey nkra ye come as assuming we should go by omo boy nre what I'm hearing we were the 5 na ekoye 2 start here na 3 be mu hearing say e be next match e be 7 because if na makwa mo register 10 so that e be more may start or the number the on start be increase the number member be increase even the more mini problem. But assuming they are playing 34 matches, these guys will even suffer burnout. They will even suffer a burnout. See, at the part of the season now, you been here on no, because the energy to drive them on no, because usa, what they know be a cocoa. It doesn't matter how you will be trained. Usa. And I think say yes, yes sir. Yeah, ma get one chance, but yenye no systematically, yenye no progressively. Send ye be ya, and also so quite idea the end result of it, you know, no so quite disastrous.
And na make us supporters, no. Said ye be ya, do na betiase. Sanusi Oriba, ewo downtown USA, Siasia Krum.
USA downtown.
Wasi Baba has made my day for telling the truth. Kotoko is not young kids, but rather quality players, so Alex should come again. They should focus on building a formidable team, but not kick it in Simbia. On we be new.
And she said, Sanusi, Touchwood, now Yakoya no, send Alex prescribe no. Now Ankoya Sanusi will not take it lightly.
On Trinda.
And there are many of them like him. Or Munchi. And then be another story altogether.
Mamen Kwasiasia, I say I support the Obed with what? I support the Obed. What is the contribution of we the supporters? Okay, I'm concerned JD and no captain. You're calling Kakaka.
when people realize say football these days I am koda na ebo and for that sa tete no shi we o koda mo no say almost started na realize they make say and the football has become young talented players will be good. I want to believe that Kotoko they are not doing that because as a nipa bi ho hinti enyin say external santi akoda because say young players yet players properly no about Kotoko nyen na chance and you know under Herbert Mensah and made of secondary schools to the Kojopuku Francis Akwafo and them now were picked from school games but you made the big boys for Asante Kotoko our example I bet me e actually say happen here na hu bi our ha no mo ye no so they should do junior team no munye ni ye omo ni nko hu na omo proper coaching coach sounds and be hwe na odomu go through and they will come good and upon what can say they are as omo ye for no for Kotoko game for European market no e Kotoko game and European market or the work of Biasa because ultimately tete ade na wo do ni bi na de bia wo de wo ship them out na de bia wo san ko top players e de gum et you know do benya kwan for European market no ton no they will be suitable for the Kotoko team no no be shim so want to gonna any Ghanaian team no bit magro no makwa. That's why big team the Manchester Cities, the Barcelonas, Chelseas and them now I think it's a good thing but any idea now obi can just say how you communicate to your supporters because doing Bettman this the communication aspect of that are strong or many people say na direction you koni say na person the person accept it na ono woko man ni mo so be guso any pressure o makura no bit ma sa killing kwara because o ma o nti ase de wo ye the be ka say you know Kotoko no ha ase on you to matter just 3 points on the field if you are yakoda but who ye be sustainable and they and have been the trend that echoes will be ase onye different on mass na other all dey different once you the earth planet earth no the so so I am for that but it should be done and done well.
Mate, Captain Siasia Komiasechi. Bible